table is about to be fixed now. And when it's fixed, I'm going to show you the outcome. As I'm unboxing what I bought from the Amazon today, I'll be unboxing these ones as well. As you all know, I like buying my stuff from Amazon. Most of my things is from Amazon. So watch now, guys. My table is fixed. My coffee table is fixed. So, guys, this table works with light, with battery, mind you. So, leave there. I need to put battery. So, see the beauty. But it's still beautiful, anyways. You can tell.
Mommy,
You need to put battery for you to see the light bulbing up. So guys, as you can see,
Mommy, why you done?
I'm going to unbox the rest of the things now. As you all know that I like buying things from Amazon, so most of my stuff is from Amazon, including this coffee table that was just fixed now. Don't use it to cut yourself.
Okay.
See, the rug is here. So we're going to be putting it. Is it adjustable? Also shovel, guys, to clear the grass at the garden there and outside, because it's so growing fast. Look at the shovel they brought from me. I thought it was a big one. What is this? Hope it's not showing me. Don't show me.
What's this?
You said did you have it?
It looks like a baby shovel. I'm not sure it's very sharp.
I can't clear this place anymore. The rug is too big. Jesus.
Wow, so cute.
It's too big.
Sit down. I'm not feeling Wow. It's so cute.
Is it too big?
Yes, it's too big, but to be honest,
No. Is the seed?
if I don't read.
Wow. Wow.
You got it. David, sit down. The camera is there. You're blocking.
You guys should sit
What's
down.
that? DJ,
It's for the child.
is it watercolor?
No,
Ah,
this for the.
I thought it was watercolor. Yeah.
No.
You need to still go on. Yeah.
What's this?
This light for my window. No, not my window, for my room. You know, I don't like seeing
Shelf.
this light. So, the stuff to be ranging. This is going to keep Sophia and King David busy. They're going to be raising it, like building it. I guess you guys know what it is. Because holiday is coming, I want to keep them busy as much as I can. And this is for them to be drawing. What color pen for them, isn't it? Okay, yeah. Color pen to be drawing. To keep them busy, guys. You know, kids. Kids in this country when they are bored, something else. You just say,
it's funny.
So guys, this is this one is like that bed this thing. A lamp stand, but I like it because it's star. That's because I'm a star. So this is going to be very beautiful. Sophia, can you show our viewers?
Yes.
What you are coloring?
Yes.
Raise it up. Raise it up. See the way she colored it so nicely. It's beautiful, guys. So I'm going to be opening this again. I'm going to be opening this.
My hands are. I'm not finished yet.
I can't remember what was in here. Let's open it and see. Oh! You know what this is? Something now.
Yes.
Yeah, right. Yeah, the dining, what is it called? Is it written on it? Placemat for dining.
Oh!
It's a placemat for dining, as you can see, guys. This.
I just write this already.
It's for dining. I forgot. Guys, this is the placemat we just unboxed. One of the things we bought in Amazon that we unboxed. This placemat. It's really beautiful and it will protect your dining because something hot is not really good for this marble. So if you need to order this, you can, just as we did. It's beautiful, guys. It's really beautiful. I love it. As well as this, guys. I didn't know it was blue. I thought it was ashes color because of the stuff I've got here in my sitting room. It's ashes color, as you can see. I didn't know it's mixed with blue and white. So they probably brought me the color they have. I think so. So this is a quality order. Guys, I thought it was finished, as well as this. I think this is the curtain I ordered from Amazon. Let me see what is inside if I'm going to like it. Let's see. You know, you order something. The t-shirt is so beautiful. Is it good? Is this? This looks very small. This looks very small though. This looks very small though. Is it one? I thought it was two. What is this? Guys, it's beautiful before, but it's a single one for one single one. I need two of these, so I'll have to order one more. I'll have to order one more. Sitting room.
Is this the
I have to order one more. It's very, very beautiful. I love it.
But is this the curtain?
But yeah, it's a curtain. Window curtain. So it's a double. It's supposed to be double. I thought it's a double. They might call this a double. This is not a double for me. So to finalize everything, to conclude, I mean, I'm going to order one more. Buying things from internet is like that, but although I really love it, it's beautiful. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm filming my front driveway, so I'm just letting you see the before and you will see the after as well. I'm going to be working here today. I am with my shovel. I'm with my shovel and rake. So I'm going to do traditional work here today. How we do it in Nigeria. So watch on, guys. I haven't got time for that. We just moved in here, so I don't have that machine they used to play. What is it called? Mola. What is it called? Fina, what's that machine called for clearing? Lawnmower. So I'll buy that if you sure not now. So guys, I'm going to try if I can do something, because it's quite scaring the way the thing go. See, from that edge to that edge. Anyways, let's try. Look at Purity handwork. As I did show you before, this is the final. Look at what I've done. Rate me, but first of all, let me rate myself.
Yes.
I give myself a 9.5 over 10.
Yes.
Almost 100%. There's nobody that's
I
100%.
want
So guys,
Mommy's make this.
Mommy make this. Did you hear Sophia?
And Jennifer.
Yeah, Jennifer was packing the dirty. See guys, I didn't know that I would be able to do this. It wasn't very easy. So at least this will take me for some months before I have money to buy the lawnmower.
Yes.
Yeah. Alright guys, see you soon. Love you.